Hey everyone, welcome back to Epic Mindset. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, future online earning methods in 2025. If you're curious about how to make money online in the coming years, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome content. Introduction to online earning trends. As we move towards 2025, the digital landscape is evolving rapidly. With advancements in technology and shifts in consumer behavior, new opportunities for online earning are emerging. Let's explore some of the most promising methods. Method 1. AI-powered freelancing. Host. First up, we have AI-powered freelancing. Platforms are integrating AI tools to help freelancers enhance their skills and productivity. Imagine using AI to generate content, design graphics, or even code. This will not only increase efficiency, but also open doors for new freelance opportunities. Method 2. Virtual reality experiences. Next, let's talk about virtual reality experiences. As VR technology becomes more accessible, creators will be able to offer immersive experiences, from virtual tours to interactive training sessions. This could be a game changer for educators, marketers, and entertainers alike. Method 3. Subscription-based content. Another method gaining traction is subscription-based content. Platforms like Patreon and OnlyFans have paved the way, but in 2025, we'll see more creators offering exclusive content through subscriptions. This model allows for a steady income stream while building a loyal community. Method 4. E-commerce innovations. E-commerce is also evolving. In 2025, we can expect to see more personalized shopping experiences powered by AI and data analytics. Think about it. Tailored product recommendations and virtual try-ons could revolutionize how we shop online.